Hey guys, James, my roommate, and I are here at the Memorial Glade. And as you can see, there's plenty of people around here throwing balls despite quarantine. So why are we here, James?
We are learning the Chinese GETUP.
Yeah, okay.
Or known as the kick up kick. Yeah.
The kick up kick.
Or kip up. There's a lot
kip.
of names. I don't know. Yeah,
Okay.
whatever you want to call it.
Well, what's the very first step into learning this GETUP?
So you wanna picture yourself as a spring, right? So to release all the power in that spring, you want to compress it as much as possible, right? So you want to roll back and get entirely onto your upper shoulder blades and neck, right? So, up to here. A little bit more than that, actually. Momentum.
Ooh, that momentum.
Oh, my abs are so hurting yesterday. Alright, after that.
Yeah, we did an ab workout yesterday.
Yeah, fucking cool. After that, you want to kick your legs up and then out, right? So you get your legs in an arch and curve it under you, right? So once you do that, you do a really fast sit-up to push your upper body onto your feet.
Okay.
Right?
Yeah.
So step 1, roll back and compress. Step 2, explode upwards, kick in an arch, and sit up, right?
Ooh.
All together.
Let's do that again, James.
No, I'm good.
How much do you weigh?
Oh, it's like 220.
220?
Yeah.
Okay. So if a 220-pound guy can do it, then me as a 150-pound guy could also do it, I believe.
I don't like how you just called me fat right there. Go back, kick and knock.
Yes,
Just like that.
Yes. This is a good angle.
Yeah. All right, attempt number 1. All right. Good roll back. You want to do that in one fluid motion. So compress and explode up.
Okay. Yes, sensei. Attempt number 1, right?
Haven't heard that sound in years. Ooh, you almost had it. You want to compress more. All right, so.
Push it, pull up.
As a bicep curl to body. Oh my gosh.
Oh god.
You want to try just like, you know, like your Russian twist?
Yeah.
Right? Just do that like really fast, but without twisting.
How is that gonna help you?
No, not that shit.
That's a Russian twist.
No, what is this called? The
Oh, that's
extension? Leg
No.
extensions, whatever?
no.
It's not the W's or whatever.
That's the
But yeah, anyway, just
corkscrews.
do it.
Corkscrews.
Okay, do it like doing an exercise in the gym.
Oh
Yeah,
shit!
got it. Right there.
Woo! Oh my god! Finally.
All right, make it consistent.
Okay,
Make
that's.
sure that wasn't a fluke.
Oh shit.